Welcome back to Ferocious Education. This is Zed. Today we're going to be talking about Paysafe. Now we did talk about Paysafe before. It was a bit outdated, so you'll find that video in the description below. But today we're going to be giving new updates, technical analysis, news, what I think about this one, and analyst recommendations at the very end. So without further ado, let's jump right into this one. So Paysafe. We do have a bunch of different news relating to this one, especially back to July 8th. So this one here, Paysafe Income Access wins Affiliate Software Supplier for 2021 EGR B2B Award. Now for this one here, the award recognizes the very best service providers in the online gambling industry. Income Access's award marks its third consecutive win in the Affiliate Software Supplier category and the seventh time in the last 9 years that the affiliate tracking and reporting technologies provider has received the honor. On the same day, Paysafe also launched safeguarding model for travel industry globally. Now the safeguard model has been created using Paysafe's extensive experience in the travel industry to build a new risk management mechanism that benefits both travel companies and their acquirers. It has been developed in partnerships with the industry specialized trust solutions partners and uses Paysafe payment technology and sophisticated data management capabilities to immediately reconcile when funds should be released to the merchants. Back on June 30th, 2021, Paysafe to enable online cash payments on Microsoft Store, or actually Microsoft Store on Xbox. And so for this one here, Xbox or Paysafe is now available for Xbox consoles for millions of customers in 22 European countries. So the Paysafe card is available in 50 countries through a distribution network of more than 650,000 points of sale, enabling consumers to use cash to shop for goods services online. So basically almost like a gift card. The next one here is on June 29, 2021, Paysafe expands Fox Bet partnership into Michigan. So the Paysafe has streamed payment for Flutter Entertainment, Betfair, and PokerStars brands for well over a decade, and its Skrill solution is already integrated with Fox's Bet Colorado, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania offerings. After that, June 23rd, 2021, Swiss residents are now able to settle bills using Paysafe Cash. And a part of this one here, and I don't think they've mentioned it, is it also expands towards Europe, or at least opens the market towards the rest of Europe easily after you have the Swiss one. And then from there, on the June 9th, 2021, Paysafe Petroleum Card Services appoints Peter Ransford as Business Development Director. And Paysafe expands US partnership with Intel Pay to offer online cash payments. So the integration of Paysafe will see Intel Pay, a Paysafe payment processing partner since 2015, builds on the commitment to provide multiple payments methods to multiple industries, creating solutions that serve all customers who wish to pay the bills online. And last but not least, on June 3rd, 2021, Paysafe and Golden Nugget expands partnership into Michigan through the iGaming market. And so following Michigan regulation or regulated online gaming market going live in January 2021, GNOG launched a sophisticated online and mobile real money casino, and its payment offering is now powered by Paysafe. The brand integration with Paysafe payments platform and best of breed payments gateway enables Michigan players to quickly and securely deposit by credit card or debit card to enjoy a wide array of video slots, table games, video poker, and live dealer games. Before moving on forward, if you'd like to see more contents like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, and don't forget to drop the like down button. Now, if you would like to join our Discord, chat a bit more, totally free in the description below. Now, on the SEC filings, etc., you get to see that institutional buyers are very bullish, especially in the month of June. July, we see that Campbell Capital Management increased their shares by almost 44% to around almost 500,000 shares. In June, you get to see millions of shares being added as well. In terms of SEC filings, we don't have anything new, but in terms of the short interest itself, you get to see that currently that's hovering very closer to around 15 to 20%. On Finviz, for instance, it does show you that it is around almost 14%. A quick note on the price over book and the price over sales. The current price over sales is around 595. If we were to compare that with the SP 500 price over sales, you're looking at a 321. So it's a little bit overvalued on the price over sales. However, on the price over book is around 55 cents, or 0.55, my bad. The price over book for SP 500 is 471, so it's severely undervalued onto that perspective. And before going towards technical analysis, the Q2 2021 guidance for revenue is anywhere between $365 million to $385 million. The gross profit is between around $225 million to $235 million. The adjusted EBITDA is between $110 million to $120 million, and cost of services is between $250 million to $270 million, 75 to be accurate. In terms of the full year of 2021 guidance, you're looking at a $1.53 billion to $1.55 billion, with an adjusted EBITDA of around $480 to $495 million. If you're looking from the 2021 guidance to 2020, some of these things are unchanged, including gross profits and adjusted EBITDA and cost of services, but revenue should see a little bit of an increase, around 9 to 10% year-over-year growth. And currently, this is, by the way, the prior guidance, not the year 2020. But in general, year-over-year growth would be around 9 to 10%. And you get to see that for the expectation, they're raising lower ends of revenue guidance, revenue growth across all segments, strong momentum in integrated processing and eCash, maintaining an adjusted EBITDA range, and focus on margin expansion. On Q2 alone, they expect to continue the strong cash performance, lapping of target actions and exit from 2020 and returning to sport, expected to support year-over-year growth in digital wallet, and expected strong volume growth in post-COVID-19 recovery to drive growth in integrated processing. Let's move on towards technical analysis. Now, from a technical analysis perspective, on the 1 month, 1 day perspective, we're starting to see multiple things. The moving averages are a bit mixed. So the moving averages itself, because it's seen decline, are a bit bearish. You get to see the 30 EMAs above the 10 SMA, and the price point is below 50 SMA. Although that looks to be very easily changed, as you get to see the 10 SMAs now touching the 30 EMA, which is a very bullish thing because it's about to flip. And the price point is below the 50 SMA, which is at around 1191, but that seems to be really going closer towards breaking it and being above there, turning bullish. Now on the 80X, you're seeing more of a sloppy action because it's below 15, and the willing percent R, which is very similar to the RSI, Relative Strength Index, is neither overbought or oversold, it's sitting in neutral. MACD seems to be actually going towards the positive side, which is a very bullish, quick bullish reversal from what could have been a bearish reversal or an accumulation. Momentum also looks positive at 0.42. The stochastic fast and stochastic slow both are showing they very much have the potential for another leg up. And for the PSFE moving average bands, you're expecting this one to trade at 1230 in the top, 1152 in the middle, and 1073 in the bottom. Currently, it's meeting that 1152 middle resistance. If it does break it, you can easily expect at least 1230. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci retracements, and the reason why I'm using this one is because high frequency traders and institutional buyers use it. So the current support, which used to be a resistance, is sitting at 1140. Below there, 1008. Resistances are 1221, 1287, 1352, 1467, and 1565. In terms of just price line actions, we see a resistance currently sitting at the 1153 level. Above there, 1177. Above there, 1219. Following by 1242, going onwards to 1288, and then a little bit higher towards the 1349, then 1371, and then from there 1407, 1432, going up to 1466 and 1499. In terms of supports, you're seeing one currently at 1121. Below there, you're looking into 1108, and then 1092, and and then $11.67, and then from there it can easily drop down to $10. In terms of analyst ratings, currently it has an average target, a price target of around 1633, which is around 41.75% upside. Now, the last person who gave it a buy with a price target of $15 has a success rate of around 82% with an average return of around 22%. The next person has a success rate of around 71% with an average return of 19%. They gave this one a buy at $17. And BMO Capital gave it $15 price target with an action of buy. The person's success rate is 78% and around 22% average return. Now, in terms of what I think about this one, it seems to be actually going back and forth between two massive lines, 1281 and around 1094. And I do expect for it to move that way. Now, in my expectations is that it will probably go back upwards to around the 1270s, 1250s, etc. But I really think that this one has a really strong future, as you get to see the price over book seems to be really undervalued. I'm not sure whether the amount of shares is accurate towards that, but if that is the case, this company does seem to be really interesting in terms of the future, especially going on with a massive diversified industry, whether it's gamings or online gaming, bettings, etc. Paysafe does have a really good consumer base. What do you think about the sticker? Make sure to mention down in the comments below. Share, subscribe, and like, and have a wonderful day. Now, if you're still here on this video, make sure to drop down below and join our Discord. We have a lot of different things going on, including, for instance, members that gives picks for free. It's not pump and dumps, we just things we think about, swings, etc. We also have really exciting bots. You can actually use those ones. For instance, we're just testing out this bot, for instance, that gives you Fibonacci resistance points, activities, etc. And we have a bunch of free things, totally free. We run on tips here, and you can ask me questions, suggest stocks, etc. It's a really nice community that has been growing up very fast at a very good rate, and it's totally free. If you would like to join that one, feel free to do so in the description below, and have a wonderful day.